What's up people, this is the full course series and today I'm going to show you some mind-blowing things about how your AI algo trading strategy can possibly generate over 800% of gain from September 2022 to June 2023. This is not a forward test result from a single asset or a single strategy. I have actually used two different machine learning models to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you haven't watched my previous full course videos about how to build an AI with deep learning and machine learning models, I highly recommend you to watch those videos first before watching this video, because I will assume you guys have already got some knowledge on how to build an AI trading bot. And for this video, I will just going to show you that you can make a huge improvement on your cumulative returns by combining different strategies and different assets. It's actually also going to reduce your overall risk. Okay, let's look at the cumulative performance chart here. Again, we start with $1. The blue line represents the ensemble strategy and the green line represents the combined performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. For the weights, they are 50-50. You can see the cumulative return of our AI strategies went skyrocket in less than a year. And you can see the combination of Bitcoin and Ethereum have generated about 60% of gain on top of the original $1. Although here was a big drawback from $4 to about $3, so about 25%. I know this is very big, and this one right here from about $8 to approximately $7, representing a 12.5% of money loss. So you can realize the risk return trade-off takes place here. The best period is here when both Bitcoin and Ethereum didn't have any chance, but our ensemble strategy went double. Okay, let's see the strategy for Bitcoin alone. It was not that bad at all. For every dollar you invested, you get $3.50 back after 7,000 trading hours. The strategy is simple. I use pretty simple regression model, but the return was amazing. I'm gonna keep that for myself. And here is the strategy performance for Ethereum. I have used XGBoost for this one. The outcome was also astonishing. For every dollar you invested, you will get $2.50 back. I hope what I'm doing can be an encouragement to you guys. So make sure to keep trying different features and fine-tune your hyperparameters. Eventually, I hope one day you will get a result like this. Okay, let me show you my code right now. Of course, we got our disclaimer here. All material provided are for educational use only. If you decided to use this material for live trading, you are on your own risk. First, I've imported all essential models I need from both local libraries and public libraries. I have built one module for downloading data, one module for feature engineer, and one module for running AI models. I'm not going to talk each one of them because I have shown you guys everything before. Here are the parameters for downloading data. I have downloaded some crypto with high volume and found out Bitcoin and Ethereum gave me the best result. Pre-processing is just cleaning the data and make sure they are on NAN values in the data frame. After that, I generated features I need for training and get rid of NAN and infinity values. Once that's done, I can go ahead and split the data into X chain and Y chain, X test and Y test. During the meantime, I've made sure that there weren't any future information involved in my post feature engineer data set. And finally, run the model training and model predicting. You can see my RMSE scores for the module predictions and actual asset price movements are very low. That means our models are pretty accurate. When we get a predictions result, I can generate return and cumulative return for both my AI strategies and assets themselves. For the rest of the code, it's just styling the graph and plotting the graph, nothing special. But I do want to say something about the ensemble strategy. I simply did a summation for every single return for both strategies and assets. That was how I got a forward test performance for the ensemble strategy. Okay, that's all about it. I hope you guys like my video. And please put a comment below if you have any questions regarding to the material, and please feel free to share about how you trade on your own stuff and do your own testing. Again, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.